Hey, how's it going guys? I'm Anthony from Gears Racing. Today we're going to be talking about the FFC250 TT. What the TT stands for is twist type. And why do we need a twist type? That's because some of the fork brace doesn't have a hole in the bottom to remove the dampening rod. In situations like this, we're going to have to disassemble the fork brace from the fork tube. I'm going to walk you through how we disassemble a stock fork brace. First of all, we're going to have to remove the stock set screw that's unremovable with any tools. We're going to have to use the drilling bit to drill out the set screw. Make sure you don't damage the threads when you're drilling out the set screw. Once the thread screw is out, we're going to have to heat up the bottom mount. Once the fork mount is heated up, the adhesive that's on the thread will be melted down. Now you can twist and remove the fork tube from the fork brace. Then we're going to remove the old O-ring that's inside the fork mount. Replace it with a new O-ring that's provided by Gears. Make sure to put some grease before you put it in. Then we're going to have to screw on the set screw that's provided by Gears. Once everything's in place, make sure to clean the threads with acetone or similar products so that there's no residue, there's no adhesive residue on the threads. Now we're going to put in the dampening rod into the fork mount. Carefully place the tube into the fork brace, fork mount, and twist it on. All in all, if you're a spirit rider, a track rider, a rider looking for performance, look no further. Check out our FFC250 TT. It gives you a lot more stability under braking, and it gives you a lot more confidence when you're entering that high-speed corner at a track, at canyon roads, or on the road, on everyday commutes.